Good morning, students. Yes, beta, welcome in science class. Today we are going to revise lesson 11, natural resources and their conservation. Okay, after revising the chapter, we will do the revision worksheet of this chapter. So, the chapter name is beta lesson 11, name of the chapter, natural resources and their conservation. Okay, now first beta, what is natural resources? नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज क्या है? द रिसोर्सेज दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम नेचर, जो हमें नेचर ने जो रिसोर्सेज दिए हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. ओके बेटा, एंड दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट है इनएग्जॉस्टिबल एंड सेकंड विल बी एग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज. ओके, सो इनएग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज आर दोज दैट विल नॉट एग्जॉस्ट. Okay, that will not exhaust and that will remain forever. Okay, and examples are resources are air, water and soil. Okay beta, and second है beta inexhaustible resources, the resources that will exhaust at a particular time, that will not last forever. Okay, exhaustible resources fossil fuels and forest and wildlife. Okay, now air. फर्स्ट है बेटा इनएग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज का फर्स्ट है एयर. ठीक है, यूजेस ऑफ एयर एज यू नो दैट एयर इज यूज्ड फॉर ब्रीथिंग. ठीक है, एयर लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज्ड बाय प्लांट्स फॉर मेकिंग देयर फूड. सो दीज आर द एयर इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्राइंग क्लोथ्स, फॉर फिलिंग बैलून्स एंड डिफरेंट यूजेस आर एयर. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन वी ऐड सम impurities in air that will cause air pollution. Okay, so to use these resources we have to use the air, we have to use air in a systematic form that will not cause air pollution. Second है बेटा water. Uses of water, as you know that water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking. ठीक है, and water is used for water makes the water cycle, and water maintain the temperature of your body. Water help in digestion. So these are the different uses of water, and we have to use water carefully. Okay, if we add some impurities in water that will cause water pollution. Okay, now next beta soil. Soil is a reserve of nutrient. Soil is a habitat of many microorganisms. Farmer needs soil to grow plants. Okay, but sometimes to improve the fertility of the soil, farmer add insecticides and pesticides in the soil, and that will cause soil pollution. So these are inexhaustible resources. Second है बेटा exhaustible resources. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels क्या होता है बेटा? The decomposed product, the dead plant and animals buried under the earth, and after several years, these decomposed product of plants and animals convert into fossil fuels. Example क्या है बेटा? Coal and petroleum. And we use these fossil fuels to generate electricity, for running machines and for running vehicles. Second है बेटा forest and wildlife. As you know that beta, forests are a rich source, rich valuable source. Forests give us many things like timber, wood, medicine, rubber, etc. And forests are very important. Forests are the home of many wildlife. So we have to conserve forests and wildlife also. Okay beta. Now the second topic is conservation of natural resources. Okay, so before proceeding this topic, first we will discuss why we need to conserve natural resources. क्यों हमें natural resources को conserve करना पड़ेगा? As you know that beta, human population increasing very terribly. ठीक है, very vastly. ठीक है, that is why for that population we require more land, more soil, more water, more fossil fuels. So to fulfill their need, we have to conserve natural resources. Okay, so to conserve natural resources, what will we do? First step, planting trees. ठीक है, we have to plant more and more trees to fulfill our need of wood, timber, medicine, rubber, etc. Okay, and that will also help to reduce soil erosion. Okay. Second है बेटा catalytic converters. Fitted catalytic converters in vehicles. This catalytic converter reduce or less the harmful product, convert the harmful product into less harmful product. Okay, and that will reduce air pollution. Okay, now third है terrace farming. In hilly areas, to reduce the soil erosion, they are growing there in hilly areas. Terrace farming is there to reduce the soil erosion, to prevent the soil erosion. Okay, now fourth है rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is used to conserve water. क्या करते हैं बेटा इसके अंदर? We collect rainwater in a tank, and then that rainwater further will be used different purpose. Okay, now second है use alternate source of energy. Instead of use fossil fuels, coal and petroleum, we have to use alternate source of energies like solar cooker, solar heater, solar panel. ठीक है, that will not exhaust. And the last is recycling materials. We have to recycle the materials like paper, can, foil, aluminium foil, etc. We have to collect these materials nicely and then given for recycling. Okay, so these are the methods to conserve natural resources.
Now beta, today we are going to revise lesson 11. So this is your revision worksheet of lesson 11, natural resources and their conservation. Okay, so question number 1 है बेटा, answer in one words, cutting down of trees. आप क्या कहोगे cutting down of trees को? You just write the answer in one word. Second, chemicals used to kill insect. Which chemicals used to kill insect? Write the name. Coal and petroleum are dash. Fourth है बेटा, equipment fitted inside the vehicles to reduce pollution. जो इक्विपमेंट्स व्हीकल्स के अंदर फिट किए जाते हैं पोल्यूशन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए, यू जस्ट राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट इक्विपमेंट्स. वन मेथड टू कंजर्व वाटर. टू कंजर्व वाटर, व्हाट मेथड वी यूज? राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट मेथड. ओके, नाउ गिव टू एग्जाम्पल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, टू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज, टू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इनएग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज, टू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ waterborne disease, two recyclable materials. Okay, now question number C, part C है unscramble the words. Okay, तो first है बेटा ORFSET, second DLWIILFE, third NIVEOCNSRATU, then fourth है UEERSORC. Okay, now true false. D part is true false. Coal is a fossil fuel. Is it true or false? You write down. Okay. Second, water is a known renewable resources. Third, inhaling impure air can cause breathing problem. If you inhale impure air, that will cause breathing problem. If it is true, write true, otherwise false. Soil is a reserve of nutrients. Okay, now E part. Question number 1. Write one use of fossil fuels. You have to write one use of fossil fuels. Second, give any two uses of forest. You have to write the uses of forest. Then third है बेटा F part है match the following. First है afforestation, terrace farming, metals, ash and sewage. ठीक है, you just write the numbering. Hilly areas, construction, water pollution and planting trees. Okay, so you have to write this worksheet in your fair notebook. Okay beta.